Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Dropbox files using Selective Sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Dropbox files using Selective Sync, begin by opening the Dropbox application on your computer. Locate the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. Right-click on the Dropbox icon to open the context menu. Select Preferences from the menu options. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. Here, you will see the Selective Sync option. Click on the Selective Sync button to see a list of your folders. Review the list of folders you have stored in Dropbox. Choose the folders you want to back up by checking the boxes beside them. Uncheck the boxes for any folders you do not wish to sync. After making your selections, click on the Update button to save your changes. This will begin the process of syncing only the selected folders. Once the sync is complete, locate the files in your specified backup location. You can now access your backed up files from your designated folder. To ensure the backup is secure, consider copying these files to an external drive. This method allows you to manage storage space while keeping essential files backed up. You have now successfully backed up your Dropbox files using Selective Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.